This is my teacher Nina. She helps me learn new things every day.
Welcome to your Max class. Before we begin, remember to keep your journals open in front of you.
Let's set a clear aim for today's class.
You may already know how to build numbers up to 10,000 using place value blocks. We have learned to show 4-digit numbers on the abacus. Finally, do you remember how to compare and order numbers from 0 to 10,000? Today, we are going to find out more about rounding off to the nearest hundred. Specifically, we will learn more about rounding off a 4-digit number to the nearest hundred. Now write in your journal, what is the aim of the class today?
I have written down what we are going to learn today.
Time for a quick activity. Let's get started.
Take out a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, and a sharpener. Use a ruler to join 13 dots in the action section of your journal, like this. Draw arrows at the end to show a number line. Make sure that there are 11 dots inside the line. Make small lines on 11 dots, like this. Let us round off 4,768 to its nearest hundred. We will first find the 2 multiples of 100 nearest to the number. Which are the 2 multiples of 100 nearest to 4,768? Write them in the 2 boxes at the ends of the number line. Mia, which 2 hundreds have you written?
I have written 4,700 and 4,800.
Good, Mia. The nearest 2 multiples are 4,700 and 4,800. Now, write all the numbers in multiples of 10 within the number line, starting from 4,710, 4,720, and so on. Mia, which numbers have you written on the number line?
I have written numbers like this.
This is correct, Mia. We skip count by 10 to write numbers within the number line from 4,700 to 4,800. Now, plot 4,768 on this number line. Mia, where have you plotted 4,768 on the number line?
I have plotted 4,768 between 4,760 and 4,770.
Good, Mia. Since 4,768 is closer to 4,770, we will plot it closer to 4,770. Which number is 4,768 closer to? 4,700 or 4,800? I hope all of you have finished answering the question. Mia, what is your answer?
4,768 is closer to 4,800 than 4,700.
That is correct, Mia. Since 4,768 is closer to 4,800, we can say that it should be rounded off to 4,800, since 4,800 is its nearest hundred. Now plot 4,736 on the number line, and then round it off to its nearest hundred. Mia, how did you round off 4,736 to its nearest hundred?
We first plotted 4,736 on the number line. Then we found out the nearest hundred. Here, 4,736 is closer to 4,700. So, 4,736, when rounded off to its nearest hundred, gives us 4,700.
Excellent, Mia. To round off a number to its nearest hundred without using a number line, we look at the tens place of the number. If the tens place is equal to or more than 5, we round up to the nearest hundred. If it is lesser than 5, we round down to the nearest hundred.
Time for analysis. Let's watch a Cool Talk video.
1,475 coins to buy a puzzle.
Wow, but what if it costs more? You must carry an approximate amount.
Approximate amount?
When we're not sure exactly what amount we need, we calculate the approximate amount. Like when we go shopping, we need to carry an approximate amount.
But how can I find it?
To find approximate amount of 1,475 to the nearest hundred, we'll use a number line. Find the multiples of 100 above and below 1,475. 1,400 and 1,500. Now, mark them on the number line. Now, mark the middle number, that is 1,450. So 1,475 will lie in between 1,470 and 1,480. So it will be rounded to 1,500. What if the place is 1,410? Locate it on the number line. The number is less than 1,450 and is closer to 1,400.
It will be rounded down to 1,400.
So round 1,410 to 1,400 and 1,475 to 1,500.
I should carry 1,500 coins?
Tell me the approximate amount for my grocery list. Locate it on the number line.
The approximate amount is 3,300?
Let's buy
Bones for Dash with the extra money.
In the analysis section of your journal, write in your own words what you learned from the video. Today, we learned to round off numbers to the nearest hundred. If the digit in the tens place is equal to or more than 5, then add 1 to the hundreds place, else it remains the same. The digits to the right of the hundreds place become 0, and the digits to the left remain the same. We will now solve a problem. But before that, let's watch Cool Talk again.
1,475 coins to buy a puzzle.
Wow, but what if it costs more? You must carry an approximate amount.
Approximate amount?
When we're not sure exactly what amount we need, we calculate the approximate amount. Like when we go shopping, we need to carry an approximate amount.
But how can I find it?
To find approximate amount of 1,475 to the nearest hundred, we'll use a number line. Find the multiples of 100 above and below 1,475. 1,400 and 1,500. Now, mark them on the number line. Now, mark the middle number, that is 1,450. So 1,475 will lie in between 1,470 and 1,480. So it will be rounded to 1,500.
What if the place is 1,410?
Locate it on the number line. The number is less than 1,450 and is closer to 1,400.
It will be rounded down to 1,400.
So round 1,410 to 1,400 and 1,475 to 1,500.
I should carry 1,500 coins?
Tell me the approximate amount for my grocery list.
Locate it on the number line. The approximate amount is 3,300?
Let's buy.
Bones for Dash with the extra money.
Time to apply what we have learned to a real problem.
Rose has read 1,224 pages. Round off the number of pages read to the nearest hundred. Write the answer in your journal. Your time starts now. Mia, what is your answer?
1,200.
That is correct, Mia. The digit at the tens place in the number 1,224 is 2, which is less than 5. Therefore, we will round down 1,224 to 1,200.
Time for a quick quiz. Let's see if we remember what we learned in the class today.
Shade the bubble for the correct answer in your journal. Question 1. The price of a chair is 5,244 coins. The seller gave a discount by rounding off the figure to the nearest hundred. What is the price of the chair after discount? A. 5,000 coins. B. 5,100 coins. C. 5,200 coins. D. 5,300 coins. Question 2. When rounded off to its nearest hundred, the number of people in a circus is 1,500. How many people are in the circus? A. 1,449. B. 1,578. C. 2,106. D. 1,477.
In today's class, we learned about rounding off to the nearest 100. Now I can easily round off a 4-digit number to the nearest 100. See you next time.